Hey guys, Final Chef here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to smoke a pork butt. Now, pork butt does not actually come from the hind end of the pig, it is the upper cut of the shoulder of the pig. Now, it's also known as a cottage butt, a double butt, or a Boston butt. I much prefer this over pork shoulder to smoke with because there's a lot more connective tissue that's going to melt as it cooks down. That's going to just make it beautiful, fall apart. Really easy, simple preparation. We're leaving all the fat on. We got some yellow mustard on here. We're going to spread that around until it's nice and coated. Really get a nice coating on it because this is going to help our rub stick to the pork beautifully. We're not going to do the underside because that's my fat cap. Now that that's done, we're going to take this seasoning that I have. I made it in yesterday. I made it yesterday. But essentially it's brown sugar base, salt, pepper, paprika. I put in a little chili powder, a dash of cayenne, some garlic powder, some onion powder. So yeah, we're just going to take this and we are going to liberally, when I say liberally, I mean liberally. Don't be afraid. Okay. So as you can see, our butt is thoroughly covered, except for the fat cap. And with this, we're going to take it down to the smoker. This is 3.5 pounds. You generally want 1.5 to 2 hours per pound at 225. So it's going to take anywhere really between 7-8 hours probably. And I'll see you down on the smoker. Okay, so now that we're down on our smoker, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to unlock it. It's been heated up to 225 degrees. I have some wood chips already in there and the chute on the right heating up. There's a little bit of smoke that's coming off of them already. They've been soaking for about 12 hours now, so they're going to produce a beautiful blue smoke. And the pork butt's going to go fat cap side down so that we don't have the fat running off onto the spice rub. And that's going to go for about 7-8 hours until the meat thermometer reads 201. And I will see you then. Okay. So, we've now smoked our pork butt in a smoker, 225 degrees, about 7 hours. Different smokers are going to vary. Mine took almost 7 hours exactly. And as you can see, we have this beautiful part. And the best part is, when I just lift this up, it just falls apart like that. So beautiful. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to take this. It's still going to be pretty hot, so watch out. We're just going to start shredding it like that. Just fall apart like that. Once this is all shredded, we're just going to put it on a big platter. You can serve it with whatever you like. I have some homemade barbecue sauce that I'm going to use. It's the video that you guys saw. Some homemade baked beans, other stuff. But yeah, as you can see, it's super juicy, super tender. Falls right apart. There's a beautiful bark on it too. You still have a couple of fat pockets that are going to add some really nice juiciness. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed this. This is probably one of my favorite things to do because it's just an all-day project where you can forget about it and you come back to it and it's just fall apart. So yeah, thank you all and have a great night.